Hi there. Good
Hi.
afternoon. My name's Officer. The reason I pulled you over is because you don't have a front plate, but you have a personalized back plate.
Yes.
Where you issue 2 plates.
I have the other plate in my glove box.
Yeah, it's supposed to be on the front, right?
I know
sometimes people don't like it on there because it makes their car not look cool.
Yeah.
The other reason I pulled you over is go ahead and raise your window just about an inch. See how dark that window tint is?
Yeah.
You can't have any window tint right
No
there.
tint at all?
No tint at all.
Okay.
Now, on the back windows, that's fine. But on the front driver's side and front passenger side, you can't have tint. Okay, so those are the 2 reasons I pulled you over.
Gotcha.
Can I see your license, registration, proof of insurance, please? Other than that, how's your day going?
Pretty good.
Good, okay.
I think I talked to you the other day. I was on the R3, the black one.
That was you!
R3.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Did you find anyone who's got the R6?
No. I mean, no.
No? Okay.
So,
Well, if you know of anyone interested, I have a good friend of mine, he's selling it.
Yeah, I think
he's moving, so he's looking to, unload the bike.
Funny story, we actually went to a body shop like a couple weekends ago to get the front plate installed, and the little the metal piece to connect it, it was like a tow hitch.
Right.
It wouldn't go through the grill.
Oh.
So we paid him $500 and we couldn't get it installed. So
how much?
It was $500. It was 4 hours. So
to install
the front plate, and he couldn't do it because the piece wouldn't fit. So that's why we're here today.
You've got to be kidding me.
Nope, unfortunately not. We've got
Why would they charge you $500 to install a license plate on the front?
Because he didn't find out until 4 hours later when he went to connect the 2 pieces.
I hope you didn't pay him.
We paid him.
Ugh. All right, hang tight. Okay.
Sure.
Be back in a minute.
All right.
So I'm going to give you a warning for the front license plate because I feel bad that you even had to deal with something like that. Yeah. Give you a warning for the window, okay?
Okay.
But those are legal reasons why I pull you over. How long did you say you've been riding a motorcycle?
Just over 2 years.
You've been riding longer than that, no?
You think?
Well, I saw you split traffic and you did it very professionally.
Thank you, I appreciate
that. So you're a very good rider.
Thank you.
But get those motorcycle pants.
Oh yeah, I will.
It's totally worth it.
It's on my to-do list, I know. Swear.
It's totally worth it though.
Oh, question for you. So I just started a YouTube channel with this car.
Okay.
And going to put some content with a bike as well. Do you mind if I have you in the videos? I can blur your face out.
Yeah, if you can blur my face out, that'd be nice.
Okay. I can do that.
I'm not a video kind of guy.
I gotcha.
Well, it's a beautiful car.
Thank you.
My question is, how come you have the tags on here if they're already on there?
That's for the front. Wait, isn't it? Or no?
No, because... So here's the thing. This is the back. This goes on the back plate, October.
Oh, really?
So what's weird is that... Just need to get it checked out. It just says August. Right?
The back one right now?
Yeah, the back one says August.
Oh, because I switched it.
So the front plate is just a plate. Okay. So you might want to check that.
I think it's
because this is the Ford, the 2019?
2018.
2018?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this is the correct registration.
Right.
You got something wrong going on with the back. I'm not going to give you a hard time about it. But you do need to make sure it's correct.
Okay, so just put that one on top.
If it's the correct one that goes to that.
Okay.
What's that sticker go to?
I pulled this plate off of my 2016 Mustang GT and got this car, so that's probably why.
So does that plate match the VIN here?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so it was already registered and you just took it off and put it on here.
Exactly.
Did you go to DMV and let them know that you switched the plates?
Yeah, I filled out that
form. Okay, so it was a
everything.
personalized plate. That's why you took it to this?
Yep.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so I just need to throw that sticker on top.
Yeah, because the October part is what makes it technically illegal.
Okay.
Not the end of the world.
Gotcha.
Since you have it here, I'm not going to make an insurance. Okay. All right. So, any other questions for me?
Before you pull out, can I take a picture with the car and your car or no?
You can take a picture of my car all you want with your car, yes.
Awesome. Okay.
Tell you what, I'll just stand here. And if you don't take a picture of me in that,
Okay. Thank you.